Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code 0x80070570 that is occurring on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're coming across an error that says that the file or directory is corrupt and unreachable, access is denied, this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to go about resolving this error. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up File Explorer. So if you have the taskbar shortcut, you can just open it up or you can search for it. And you want to select this PC on the left side. Right click on the drive you're having the problem with, which in most cases should be on the C drive or the local disk where Windows is installed. Go ahead and right click on it and select Properties. Select the Tools tab and then select underneath Error Checking. This option will check the drive for file system errors. Go ahead and select Check and then select Scan Drive. So once that's done, close out of here. And now you want to go open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by space /scan now. Scan now shall be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your error message 0x80070570. So again, do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.